Hey, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. Hanging out here at Cane Ridge Wildlife Management area. This is basically like a bird refuge. It's habitat built so the birds have a good spot to flourish. It's got an observation deck so anybody can come here and check out the birds. I just want to make people aware that these places are here. Most hunters they're into conservation just like anybody else. Without the habitat and without the conservation, these birds wouldn't exist for us guys to hunt. So these are a bonus for us hunters, for these places to be available and to be here so that these birds can flourish. So without further ado, we're going to head up on the observation deck and see what kind of pictures we can get. Hopefully there's a bunch of birds up there, a bunch of different kinds of birds. And if we get any good pictures, we'll put them up. Let's get to shooting. All right, we got up here on the observation deck. There were some birds that were fairly close. Obviously, whenever they see me come on the observation deck, they decide to get a little farther away. So we'll see. I don't really have a lens meant for this. I'm gonna try to rent one for this coming couple weeks, but there are birds everywhere. So if you are into this, I mean, there's probably 1,000 or better snow geese coming over right now. It's just a beautiful spot, beautiful place to just come visit. There's tons of ducks on the water here. With the lens I have, let's see what we can do.